of my enemies, accusers, and adversaries. Let them fall on the political scene, on the economic scene, on the financial scene, on the social scene, on the spiritual scene. Let them fall. Open your mouth, declare, say something. You must open your mouth. Something. If you don't say anything, nothing moves. You will see what shall become of them who said they were powerful and they were connected and they had no regard and respect for you and God. You will see what shall become of them. I declare divine vindication. Open your mouth, declare a divine vindication.
Be the head and not the tail, above and not beneath, and be blessed. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Obuoba Yankopon Israel papa Yankopon Israel di AHENKAN mpo nipa no dwen ho so de adwuma we ba ha nipa kon di tum Yankopon Israel se nipa na Obuoba no pe wa kan nsema man papa Omo Yankopon kan ho na de kan ho na yi a kire wo
Obuoba manage ma ho fama se endemetimi nya because my trust every time we a product. To be frank, you are a product that we have to be proud of you. Nyame Israel be
Masa, we a great host party presenter you're unique. Me the account, so you are unique.
I think the way you are asking your questions is very excellent and brilliant. I've spoken to about 45 media houses ever since the budget is ready to be set. By the way you are asking questions brilliantly, I don't think most media houses have.
We are chef and then will be a ATM. You make a more at my na Yamamu was Eastern region one a Hong Kong there the food chip free at the bench. Yes, and the first very I mean it is one of the a very intelligent question, but people like you need to be highly esteemed in the society.
Empire Mamon. They will be bia what in Sabetla AHENKAN FM. Now Becca and Sam I am ready at AHENKAN FM. So no, Yamingu Munimas. Yami on sorry one now demu. On Fanny Jano ain't Jumani now. Bompire Mamosa Muamu Jumanimu. Bonibian two be at the Diarada. I want to pray for you that none of you will die untimely. That no power of darkness will be able to destroy the work of your hand. I release power and grace upon that FM station. And I decree and I declare this morning that whosoever goes to any camp to offer any evil prayer against AHENKAN FM, the fire of God will destroy them. May the Lord continue to shield you and you will never know shame in Jesus' name.
Odam potemo hasi kenyamo amobaya enkanwane MPP yan ka samu me ni penhu se ade we enye opie ka samu efika de ne ho etimu na ma kire ye kwan no second peaceful mobile media ha na me radio neda mon koto anka no kore no eme ni penhu se uye MPP ni na ummoa yen ya esase yesesam ni e ma de obeboa yen eba challenges eba Eastern region ha na ma Eastern region ha for so etimi afọ to
Ghana adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba AHENKAN933 FM.
Maakye